Hey guys, it's Eric here at LKQ. Check this one out. This is a real oldie. 1991 Mazda 626. We had a 90 model when we were kids growing up, and I was just about out of the house. My mom had a 90 model. Great, fun, sporty car. First Asian car we ever owned was the Mazda 626. We'd always had American stuff before then, but this changed our evil ways, apparently. This was a great car. You'll find with cars this old in the junkyard that, well, they're usually fairly complete because people just don't have them. This isn't a particularly sporty car. This isn't a particularly sought-after car. So unless you're that one guy who happens to need parts for this, or if you're just using it for other projects, this car is probably going to get crushed mostly intact, which is a real shame that it can't go on to save other cars. You can see by the amount of leaves and stuff built up here. This car sat for some time before ending up here. Yeah. I'll show you the inside here. It's actually in really good shape. Makes you wonder what died. Again, I would guess timing belt on this. It was probably an elderly person's car, got given to a child or something like that, and they just didn't maintain it. And even the dash doesn't have any cracks, so it was kept in the shade. Seats are in really good shape. A little hard to see here because of the closeness to the other cars. Original radio. And crank up windows, manual locks on this one, and it did have interior adjustable mirrors here, so you can see that. That's how we would adjust that back in the day. Back seat, I can't get that door open there, but plenty of room back there. Nice, and those seats did fold down. It's even got the original hubcap sitting on the ground there. And this one died with, oh wow, okay. So now I know why it's here. 261,000 miles. Somebody drove the you-know-what out of this thing and gave it lots of love along the way, I'm sure. The one we had was white with a gray interior. Very sporty little car. The seat that's missing, somebody pulled that seat for use in another car probably, but it's right there. They never came back for it. Mazda 626. Classic, it says. Czechoslovakian Republic. Interesting. Good size trunk in this one, full size spare. 60-40 split, fold down rear. I would tell you some stories about taking girls on dates with my moms, but I don't think that's appropriate for YouTube. But I definitely know that the seat's folded down flat. Anyway, there is today's trip down memory lane. Hope you're enjoying the series on junkyard cars, classics from the forgotten era. Take care, my friends.